Samsung Galaxy A03s Cell Phone. Factory unlocked Android smartphone. 32GB, 3 camera lenses, infinity display screen, long battery life, expandable storage, US version, black, long-lasting battery. The Galaxy A03s smartphone has the 5000 mAh power you can rely on to be prepared for whatever you get into. And 7.75W charging gives you pick-me-up capacity when you need it. Dependable performance. Galaxy A03s was designed with processing speed in mind. Its reliable processing power makes downloading, streaming, and sharing a breeze. Expandable storage. Hold on to all the photos, videos, apps, and music you love. If Galaxy A03's built-in 32GB of memory isn't enough, you can easily store up to a full 1TB more by adding a micro SD card. Versatile camera experience. From snapshots of your culinary masterpieces and everyday adventures to family reels, Galaxy A03s gives you a multi-lens camera to capture life's awesome moments. Infinite display. Whether you're chatting with family and friends or watching videos, the crystal clear HD Plus Infinity display makes everything look brilliant. Get 6.5 inches of crisp visuals with impressive edge-to-edge viewing on Galaxy A03s. Modern design. As one of our most affordable A-series phones, Galaxy A03s is both simple and durable, and its side-mounted finger sensor adds a personal touch to security.